Hey, let me show you how you can connect Nintendo Switch 2nd generation into your TV. So first of all, you will have to prepare the HDMI cable that you can find inside the box of your Nintendo Switch 2nd generation. So now with this HDMI cable, you have to go into the back of your TV. And as you can see over here, there's the HDMI cable, the HDMI output that you have to plug the first end of the cable. Over here you can find dock of your Nintendo Switch 2nd generation. So you will have to just rotate this one. And there's this small cutout. We have to pull it towards us, like so. We have to just take off this cover. And as you can see over here, we have to plug this second end of HDMI cable. So just simply plug it in. Now we have to put that dock on the flat surface because we are gonna put here our console. And as you can see inside that dock, I will try to zoom in. There we go. You can find the two dots on the left and the right side and something that looks like USB-C port, right? So the same thing we can find at the bottom of our Nintendo Switch 2nd generation, and we have to basically align those things together. So that's how it actually looks. You just have to put it here and just try to move it left, the right side. In my case, everything is fine. It's just successfully. And over here we got the AC adapter to connect into our dock. So first connect the USB-C cable that comes inside the box as usual, like you charge your phone. And now when we go again into the back of our dock of the Nintendo Switch, we can actually find the place for the USB-C cable that we have to plug in. And now for sure we have to plug it to the power supply. Then on your TV you should get this automatic connection, but if it is not working, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can do this. So basically on your remote controller you have to find button that will allow you to switch input of your TV. So this is that's how it looks on the LG TV. I have to click on this middle button, and now as you can see on my TV I've got selection for a second HDMI input. I have to click OK, and after a few seconds we should actually get our connection. Now we have to use controller of our Switch because right now I just cannot do anything with my remote controller. So we can, for example, unplug the right joy by clicking on this button over here. Now take a look. When I'm gonna move it, it's just working. It's just paired with my console, and now I can just keep moving and select anything. So I'm gonna select to adjust later. There we go. And as you can see, we are successfully connected. And it's actually support 4K, so that's actually that's how it looks. We are here through all of these cables and on TV. For sure, it will be good if you perform some cable management, but that's just a short video to show you how